Have you ever heard about black garlic? No? Well, it's time we change that. Black garlic is the product of a fascinating transformation where whole garlic bulbs undergo a controlled fermentation process that can last up to a month. This metamorphosis doesn't just change the garlic's color from creamy white to a mesmerizing dark hue, it also turns its texture into something soft, almost jelly-like. And the flavor? It's a unique blend of sweet and savory, with a less pungent kick than its raw counterpart. Let's dive deeper into the making of this unique flavor bomb, shall we? So how is black garlic made? It's quite a fascinating process. Imagine this: whole bulbs of garlic, left to ferment under meticulously controlled conditions. The temperature and humidity are monitored with precision, creating an environment that is just perfect for the garlic to undergo a transformation. This isn't a quick change though, it's a slow, patient process that takes several weeks, even up to a month. The result? A culinary marvel. The once crisp, biting cloves of garlic have turned into something entirely different. They've darkened to a rich brown, even black color, and their texture has softened. Now they're more akin to jelly, a stark contrast to their original state. The raw sharpness of fresh garlic has mellowed, giving way to a sweet and savory delight. And there you have it, soft, jelly-like cloves of black garlic, a treat for your taste buds. Not just a flavor enhancer, black garlic packs a punch with potential health benefits too. Transformed through the magic of fermentation, black garlic retains a treasure trove of nutrients found in fresh garlic like allicin, which carries potent antioxidant properties. But the health benefits don't stop there. This fermented marvel is brimming with antioxidants including S-allylcysteine, or SAC, which neutralizes free radicals in the body, acting as a protective shield against oxidative stress. Now, let's talk heart health. Some studies hint that black garlic could be an ally for our cardiovascular system, possibly helping to reduce cholesterol levels and bolster overall heart function. That's not all. Compounds in black garlic, including our friend SAC, may have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially beneficial for conditions related to inflammation. And if you're one of those folks with a sensitive stomach, black garlic might just be the garlic for you. It's known to be gentler on the digestive system compared to its raw counterpart, making it more palatable for those with sensitive digestive systems. But black garlic isn't just about health benefits, it's also a culinary superstar, lending its unique umami flavor to sauces, marinades, and dressings. It's a secret ingredient that adds depth and complexity to dishes, tantalizing the taste buds with its sweet and savory notes. So, the next time you're looking to add a unique flavor and potential health boost to your dishes, why not consider black garlic? Now that we've unraveled the mystery of black garlic, let's summarize what we've learned. This unique ingredient is fermented to perfection, packed with potential health benefits, and adds a complex umami flavor to dishes. Remember, moderation is key, and always consult with a healthcare professional for specific health concerns. Happy cooking with black garlic. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary secrets and health tips.